learned about the basics of the peripheral nervous system. Now, it has been separated into two different divisions based on voluntary actions and involuntary actions. You see, voluntary responses are made in a conscious state. The somatic nervous system is that part of the peripheral nervous system that controls all the voluntary responses or reflexes. For example, it keeps you in touch with the outside environment. If you get pricked by a pin, your first reaction is to remove your hand with a jerk. This is controlled by the somatic nervous system. It relays the sensory and the motor information between the outside environment and the central nervous system. All the voluntary reflexes and responses are controlled by this division. The autonomous nervous system is that part of the peripheral nervous system that controls all the involuntary movements in our body. For example, it controls the heart rate, respiration, breathing, digestion. All of these happen without our conscious control. That is because the autonomous nervous system is taking care of it. Have you ever observed how the pupil of your eye changes its size depending on the amount of light? For example, when you enter a dark room, at first you cannot see anything, but slowly you start to notice the things around in the room. This happens because the diameter of your pupil increases in size, allowing more light to enter the eye, and that's why you can start seeing things around. When you come out of the dark room into broad daylight, the size of pupil decreases in diameter, allowing lesser light to enter the eyes. Both these functions occur under the influence of the autonomous nervous system. So what have we learned today? Today we learned about the two parts of the peripheral nervous system, that is, the somatic and the autonomous nervous system. Until next time, happy learning!